From garden to medicine cabinet, herbal remedies, you can grow yourself. Growing your own medicine. Herbal remedies from garden to medicine cabinet. Have you ever wondered if you could grow your own medicine? Well, now you can. In this video, we'll explore the world of herbal remedies that you can grow right in your own garden. First up, we have chamomile. This fragrant herb is known for its calming properties and can be used to soothe anxiety and promote sleep. Simply harvest the flowers, dry them, and steep them in hot water to make a relaxing tea. Next, we have lavender. Not only does it smell amazing, but it also has incredible healing abilities. Lavender can be made into oil or used as a compress to relieve stress, anxiety, and headaches. Plus, it's a natural insect repellent. Peppermint is another valuable herb to grow in your garden. Its leaves contain menthol, which can help soothe digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. Just steep the leaves in hot water for a refreshing and digestive tea. Aloe vera, known for its soothing gel, is a must-have in your herbal garden. It's excellent for treating sunburns, minor burns, and skin irritations. Simply slice open a leaf and apply the gel directly to the affected area for quick relief. Lastly, we have rosemary. This aromatic herb not only adds flavor to dishes, but also has medicinal benefits. It can improve digestion, boost memory and concentration, and even relieve muscle pain. So don't forget to include it in your herbal garden. By growing your own herbal remedies, you can have access to natural healing right at your fingertips. So why not start your own garden and take control of your health in a more holistic way?